Hi everyone, this is Triple T, and today I'm unboxing X-Transbots Master X Series MX-61 Interceptor Ballistic. or their Misfire, and not the youth version, or so this is as close to the cartoon as you're able to come with this bot. And as you can see, they are going for the Japanese exclusive Headmaster series, where the gun actually tabs onto the arm and is not held by him. So you may like that, or you may may not. But I don't mind. I think this looks good, even though I prefer the season 4 of the G1 cartoon. This will do just fine. And they have this little saying, if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Yes, of course, we build a door. And you have this awesome picture that X-Transbots always gives us. And you have a little bio, text spec here. And yeah, this box looks really nice. But let's get into it. For some reason, they have a very strange seal. They usually have the X-Transbots ones, but they don't. But it's still a X-Transbots bot, so I will treat this seal as if it said X-Transbots, of course. And open that up. Is it a Fans Toys? Is it X-Transbots? I don't know! And as you probably know by now, X-Transbots have gone the way of bad instructional videos instead of their really good instructional booklets that came with them. But you still get the collector's card. And yeah, looks nice. I don't know why it's a sealed baggie, but very... Okay, I'm gonna do that later on. Let's see. How are we going to open this? We're going to open it up like that. Good. Here he is in all his pinkish or reddish glory. And as you can see, there is not much in the box, which I wasn't expecting, of course, because that's the gun. Come on, little buddy, get out. Huh. And he is all die-cast. I don't feel anything here that isn't die-cast. Probably these pieces aren't, but they still feel... they trick my fingers into thinking that everything is die-cast here. Very, very, very nice. And he looks so cute. I usually don't like X-Transbots, Targetmasters, but this one is a favorite of mine so far. I don't think the legs are die-cast. I think they're just plastic. But I don't care. He looks really, really good. And those thighs. Very nice. And very compact for being a Targetmaster, I think. Very nice indeed. Okay, we need a spludger for that. You have a little alternative face with a little smirky smirk here. Yeah, that actually looks kind of good. I think that I'll put that on him. If nothing else, just for trysies. But let's get him out of his little prison. And he is a hefty figure. Let's get this out of the way. And remove this little baggie, because everything just has to have baggies these days. And I'm going to make him a bit more stable. And do a 360 of him. I have heard people complaining about these, and I don't think this is tabbed in because it's kind of loose. And I really hope that isn't the looseness I'm going to expect from this bot, because I don't like that. But you have a very nice bot here. Very compact, very, very nice indeed. Why is he falling over? Maybe I have to transform him a couple of times. I do like that visor though. It looks really, really nice. And the arms. Unfortunately, he has those classic X-Transbots thumbs that's going to be broken off sooner or later. Oh, the feet are ratcheted. That's why he's not standing as he should. Okay. But otherwise, he looks great. And I do like that coloration as well. Very, very nice. And can you fold these? Yes, you can. You can fold these if you want to. He feels very sturdy and very, very nicely done in every sense of the word. And I hope he really is, because I so want this to be the revenge of X-Transbots. You know, I've been complaining about them for several years, and because there are QC issues and stuff not being as solid as they should, or breaking, or stuff like that. And I hope that this is the bot that changes everything. But that is my hope for this character anyway. You have some outward movement there. Everything is just nicely toleranced so far. Very, very nice indeed. You have a peg in the hand, but there is no peg on the Targetmaster, of course. But he looks very nice. A bit too just red, or whatever you would call this color. But the feet are really nice as well. I know those little holes are for tabbing in when you transform him, but still, yes, very, very nice indeed. Well, I will do a review and a transformational video as soon as I am able. I think I'm going to make it in a couple of days. I don't think I can do it today, but I will post it as soon as I'm able to, of course. But I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, take care.